or not.
Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo on Monday said that the government is taking steps to ensure a larger number of specialist doctors work in the government setup. Admitting that the state has a shortage of specialist doctors, she said that the government-run hospitals needs more gynecologists, pediatricians, nephrologists and other specialists. She also said Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board, which was set up with the objective of addressing the problem of irregular recruitment, will conduct the second phase of recruitment of specialist doctors.
We are hoping that we will be able to address this quickly. One of the actions taken by the state of Meghalaya is that we have constituted our own board for recruitment, which is a competent authority that is going to be sorting out the delays in calling for applications for various doctors and specialists. And also now we are also sending doctors on short-term courses immediately